Hi guys. Pardon the noise level. The machine's running, got air going to it. You've got a continuous hiss coming out of the spindle area. Suppose that's what it's supposed to be like. Been doing a little bit of work today. Did some more painting on the inside, cleaned up the cast iron over there. Been painting the table and got all the shields and the guards back on the front. Down here is a wiper, like a wiper brush that goes across and keeps things clean. Got the old carousel all back together. 100% back to normal now. And we're just like a little bit more painting in here. When I bought the machine from the guy, they suggested that they would put bed liner on the interior of the enclosure. And I'm thinking that may be a nice thing to do. Most of the bed liner I found is either rubber and soft, which I don't think would work very well, or it's the hard kind, which might work. Most of it I can find is black. I found a few tan colors, but I think I want something that'll keep enough light in here. The Renshaw probe showed up yesterday, and I excitedly ran out and plugged it in, and that's where it plugs in right there. Started working, and you can turn it on the screen over here. You can see where the probe goes on. And nothing was happening. So I started tracing the pin out. I've been spending a lot of time in these schematics, but luckily I have a full set, so it's very nice. I can go and do what I need to do. In fact, there's the pin out for that right there. Well, I ohmed out the cable and everything checks in it fine. And decided to look at this plug. And so now I'm going to take off the last bolt and see what's back there. I don't know when it started. This is a 1995, but so far a lot of the bolts and nuts I've been finding are metric. I thought this thing was made in America. This is the back of the, well, you can see our first problem. Somebody's cut all the wires off. That would explain a lot. I'm glad I didn't send this thing back to the eBay seller. And looks like they're all nicely taped up here. Okay. That's a surprise. I'll have to check out and see why that was done that way. But while I'm in here, I'm going to change out this switch and see if we can get the lighted one back on. Also had to take off the front cover again. If you look at the very top up there, you see a silver box with wires sticking out the top. That is a rotary vane actuator that is air powered, and I think that's what's giving me the problem of shifting the transmission. All this mechanism up here is for the drawbar. There's sensors on top that will tell you if it's open or closed, and there's the belt drive. The motor stacks up, the motor on top, and then below it is the transmission. So far everything sounds nice, except it's just not reliably shifting gears. I have to go in and find out what's wrong with that. Well, this was a surprise right there. I'm going to have to find out what's going on. Also had some tools show up. I didn't have any good tools, and frankly I still don't have any good tools, but I just bought some quick tools on the internet so I can at least just try it out. Well, that's all for today. I'll check out and see what's going on and let you know what's going on with the switch.